Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Oxygen True Crime app step by step clearly. To activate the Oxygen True Crime app, start by downloading it from your device's app store. Open the app once the installation is complete. You will be greeted by the app's welcome screen. Look for the sign up or login button at the bottom of the screen. If you're a new user, tap on sign up. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the app's security requirements. Confirm your password by typing it again in the next field. Review the terms and conditions, and check the box to accept them. Tap on the Create Account button to proceed. An email will be sent to you for verification. Open your email inbox and find the verification email from Oxygen True Crime. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you to the app, confirming your email address. Now return to the app and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you may be asked to set up your profile. Fill in any required information and save your profile settings. To activate the premium features, navigate to the subscription section. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information securely. After your payment is processed, confirmation will appear on the screen. Your Oxygen True Crime app is now fully activated and ready for use. Explore the features and start enjoying true crime content immediately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.